Let me ask you something. How much thought do you give to the air you and your family breathe every day? At Saniservice, we don't just clean AC units. We take air quality to a whole new level with unmatched detail and professionalism. Unlike other companies, we do not only clean your ducts, vents, and AC units, we completely dismantle your AC unit. The blower, the drainage trays, every single part is removed, cleaned, and disinfected individually. No shortcuts, no compromises. That's what makes us different. We use our patented biosanitizers, designed to eliminate contaminants at a microscopic level. It's not just cleaning, it's scientific sanitization that leaves your home healthier and fresher. And don't worry about your space. We take full measures to protect your home during the process, preventing any chance of cross-contamination. Your safety is always our priority. Our team is trained like no other. Every technician goes through rigorous training at our in-house institute before they ever set foot in your home. Plus, we adhere to strict protocols because we believe in doing the job right the first time, every time. After the cleaning, we don't just walk away. Our strict quality checks ensure every detail meets our standards. And if that's not enough, we even verify the results with laboratory tests. That's the level of accountability you get with Saniservice. You see, we're not just another facilities management company. We're the only indoor environmental health quality company in the region. Everything we do is backed by science, and we never compromise on quality. It's not just about cleaning, it's about creating a healthier indoor spaces for you and your loved ones. So why settle for less? Choose Saniservice and experience the difference for yourself. Breathe better, live better. Call us today or visit saniservice.com to book your AC cleaning.